Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But you guys are looking at the title. Yep, you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Pepe, giving you guys my daily analysis on the price of Pepe, see what is happening, and of course, what we could be expecting as we go further into upcoming Friday. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the markets today, we're seeing quite a bit of green across the board, and that is lovely to see. As far as Bitcoin dominance is concerned, Bitcoin dominance is pulling down, which is obviously giving altcoins even more of a push towards the upside. So that's a big plus point. But if we're looking specifically at meme coins, you're seeing meme coins once again gaining traction. Pepe up 13.2%, closed its daily candle somewhere very nicely. And the support that I was talking about yesterday did end up holding. We're seeing a massive bounce. So this speaks for itself. Meme coins still have a lot of momentum as well as its market, but let's waste no more time and kind of take a little bit of a closer look and see what is happening. So sorry that I'm bringing this update a little later than usual. I was quite busy throughout the day, but you guys know we're going to talk about this on a daily basis, no matter what time it is. So continue supporting and you will continue to see these daily updates. So looking at the price, we still have about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 78.41. As mentioned, up 14.6% over the past 24 hours in USD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Comparative market cap back above $3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.56 billion. Not bad at all when you're looking at the grand scheme of things, especially at this price. We're looking at a very close retest towards an all-time high. And of course, when I pull out the charts, things are going to make sense. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder count today, we haven't really seen an increase in the new holders coming in. But this chart right here is something that a lot of people do take a look at, which you should be taking a look at 100%. But one thing I want to tell you guys is there's other things that are happening that are increasing new holders for Pepe that might not reflect on the chart. And now you guys might be a little confused on that. What I'm referring to is there are obviously centralized exchanges that have listed Pepe, and in my opinion, if you're interested in Pepe, you should be, whether it's selling or buying, you should do that on a centralized exchange rather than doing it on the decentralized exchange, because you will get burned out just by the transactions itself. So if you want to save those insanely high transaction fees that you're paying on Ethereum blockchain, it's better to go towards like Binance or the top exchanges that have listed Pepe and trade it there. That's what I would recommend. But those are some numbers that we don't see, and that's something obviously we need to keep in mind. But as far as holders go that actually hold Pepe in their Ethereum wallets, it's currently sitting at 174,887. So that's not bad at all. But let's shift our focus towards the meme coin overall market. So today we're seeing meme coins once again bouncing back up really nicely. Lovely to see, especially if you're looking at the top four, which are of course Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Bonk. You can see this for yourself. We are seeing Pepe performing really good out of these top four, considering Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, and Bonk. It's up 14.6%, and obviously in the last 24 hours we can clearly see it's outpacing the other boys. So that is of course lovely to see. And the recent price action and the recent hype and the amount of interest Pepe is showing right now is really nice. And honestly, to be quite frank with you guys, it is starting to prove me wrong. As far as the community goes, I've been quite clear. Go watch any of my updates regarding Pepe. I never ever criticized the community. Communities, people that actually support the project, that actually hold the project, I never criticized them, because the community's been doing their thing from the beginning. From the get-go, community never gave up on the meme coin. But the team has had its flaws, and I'm going to continuously say that. Obviously right now the price is pumping up, things are looking absolutely insane, but we're not going to forget the fact that what we have seen from the team over the past few months, especially when the uncertainty levels were at extreme all-time highs. That's obviously not going to be forgotten about. But the fact that obviously it doesn't have utility, but massive exchanges that are backing it, massive community, this could be a driving force to take Pepe to a level that that a lot of people are anticipating. So obviously, we need to keep that factor in mind. Obviously, as mentioned to you guys, BTC dominance is pulling down today more than yesterday. So obviously, this is really nice for altcoins. Altcoins are seeing a push. But if you're looking at BTC right now, guys, Bitcoin was able to close its daily candle literally 2 hours ago at $67,000. Yep, you've heard that correct, and we are above that key resistance where we currently, where we were yesterday. So we're above that resistance right now. And again, guys, all-time highs are looking extremely close, or about 3.68%. So could we see Friday be the best Friday as of now, to see the price of Pepe actually pushing, to see the price of BTC actually pushing above all-time highs? We will see, but so far things are looking really good. But now you know what time it is. We're going to be discussing the price. So I'm not going to be taking a look at the daily time frame for you guys. We're going to shift to the closer time scale and kind of analyze the chart going from there. So you guys are seeing, Pepe is ready for a massive breakout towards an all-time high. It broke out of some key resistance, and now we are facing another resistance coming up at that 8202. And if this resistance, which obviously we retested yesterday, if this resistance is able to break out, I think we could see a Pepe's price pushing towards an all-time high in the next few hours to come, because let's face it, that's only a move of about 11.1%. and look at this bounce back pretty much since yesterday. Obviously, if you picked up that bloodbath, on the 5th of March, which was at 50.93, you did see Pepe go up about 56.5% since then, which is a massive recovery. So a lot of people tend to forget this, and obviously over the past few days we did see a lot of negative sentiment coming in for meme coins, not just Pepe itself, but I'm sure a lot of people are completely proven wrong at this point, especially the people that were questioning the future about meme coins. Meme coins are here to stay, in my opinion. In this bull market, these meme coins that are exploding right now, especially the big ones in terms of market valuations, I think they will have legs going further into the market, because of course they have established a community, they have established a hype, they have established a lot of eyes on them, and I think this can help them push towards the end of this bull market, in my opinion. But are all of these meme coins going to be here to stay once the bull run is done? Absolutely not. So if you're thinking that you're going to be holding your meme coins for the next 5 to 10 years, I really hope you guys strategize yourself completely different. I think in the next 11 to 14 months would be crazy for the meme coins, but after that, we're going to enter the bear market, and the majority of these meme coins are going to be nowhere to be seen. And again, that's my own personal opinion, so I wouldn't really get too attached to my meme coins. Completely something you guys really need to understand. But if you're looking at since yesterday, I said 54% gain, which is really nice to see. The next main support for Pepe, as I've said to you guys before, was at the 45 zone if we were to lose the support line at the 51.29. But as of now, we're seeing crazy amount of momentum, and I think it's more likely that we're about to eat one more zero and retest all-time highs rather than see a massive drop. So far so good. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Pepe is going absolutely insane, and we're gonna take it one step at a time. I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comments, and we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.